Hey Ryan, you look worried. What's going on?
Hey Jake, I have just found out something really bad.
Oh no, what's happened?
Someone has stolen money from my wallet.
What? That's terrible. When did you notice?
I have just noticed it this morning. The money is gone.
Have you lost money before?
No, this is the first time.
Do you think you know who has taken it?
I'm not sure. I have been around a few people recently.
Have you spoken to them about it?
Not yet. I have been too shocked.
Maybe you should. Have you searched everywhere?
I have searched my room, car, and office but found nothing.
How much was stolen?
About $200. It's not a small amount.
Have you called the police?
I have not called them yet. I'm trying to figure out what to do.
I think you should report it. Someone might have done this before.
I have heard of similar cases in our neighborhood.
I'm worried now. I have never had that much stolen from me.
I have always kept my wallet in the same place. Now I'm not sure.
Do you think someone has been watching you?
I have been feeling uneasy, like someone has been following me.
That's scary. Have you thought about getting security?
I have thought about it but haven't done anything yet.
Maybe installing cameras would help. I have been thinking about it too.
I will consider that. I wish I had done it sooner.
Don't blame yourself. You have always been careful.
Thanks, Jake. I have been hard on myself about this.
We will figure this out together. I have got your back.
I know. I have been feeling better talking to you.
We're stronger together. We will get through this.
I have always believed in us. We're a great team.
We sure are. I have never had a friend like you.
I have always been grateful for our friendship. I hope you liked this conversation. If it helped you improve your English a little more, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend. Thank you very much for your support. Take care.